This broadcast reflects much, but not all, of what it is to be black in many cities in America.
Eyezonbluebloodz.
Okay, we'll figure that out, dude. You got to chip. We're just trying to figure out what's going on. All right.
We're burglarizing the crib. We're working
Changing locks. Oh my God! Look at this shit.
Is there anybody else in the house?
Oh, we're doing the work order. Changing the locks. You see the fucking drill set, right?
You guys watch him. We'll go.
Put your phone down.
I can record. It's
Put
a
your
free.
phone. Just put your phone. I don't want what you have in your hands. Just
Nah, I don't trust you.
You can leave it on.
I don't trust you. It's on. Don't put it on him. We ain't doing nothing wrong. We're here to change a lock change.
Understood. We're here for a complaint. That's all.
The fuck?
I put my hands down.
We ain't doing nothing wrong.
Yeah, baby. One of the neighbors called to make you guys kick the door or something.
Yeah, that's what we had to do. We got to break the locks. We got to change the locks.
I'll just tell you while we're here.
Yeah, that's cool, man. I ain't tripping. Guess you see people like us out here.
Yeah,
Breaking in and change the locks. What the
they're
fuck?
not used to black people.
Burglary in progress. What the fuck?
Yo, I'm sitting there, I say, yo, they're gonna look at two cops. Y'all like, for real? For real, nigga, this shit is real.
Burglary in progress. Show me the work order real quick.
Who's in charge?
Me.
You are? Okay. Do you have ID on you?
Eyezonbluebloodz.